HDR enhances your display with wider brightness, contrast, and color ranges. First, access your MSI monitor's OSD via the menu button. Navigate to Display Settings and enable HDR. Ensure your input source is set to HDMI 2.1 for 4K 120Hz. Next, in Windows 11, go to Settings, System, Display, Windows HD Color. Enable Use HDR and select your MSI monitor. Finally, for Xbox Series X/S, go to Settings, General, TV and Display Options and enable HDR. On PlayStation 5, navigate to Settings, Screen and Video Output and set HDR to On. Remember to use high-quality HDMI 2.1 cables for optimal HDR performance. HDR key concepts include formats like HDR10, Dolby Vision, and HLG, which provide different levels of dynamic range and metadata support. VESA Display HDR standards specify minimum brightness and color requirements, with MSI monitors meeting Display HDR 400 or higher for optimal HDR performance. Color calibration ensures accurate colors. Use Windows built-in calibrator or third-party software like CalMan for fine-tuning. For troubleshooting HDR issues like flickering or color banding, ensure your monitor firmware is up to date. Verify your GPU supports HDR, such as NVIDIA RTX 30 series or newer with HDMI 2.1 compatibility. Disable overdrive to prevent artifacts that can degrade HDR quality. Double-check all cable connections are secure and meet required specifications for HDR transmission. For optimal gaming, utilize MSI's Gaming HDR presets designed specifically for competitive play.